Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Welcome back to the channel. Great to have everyone back on the YouTube series. I do have to apologize for the lack of uploads, the lack of updates over the past week with the portfolio. I do hope to get on to a more regular, timely schedule for uploads in 2022, but it's always difficult with the work schedule. So I definitely hope to improve on that. For this week, I thought I'd do a quick catch-up video. Week 52 of 2021, all of the options contracts, as well as week 1 of 2022, the contracts that expired today. Before we do that, let's take a quick look at the portfolio. As you can see here up on screen, the portfolio has met our goal of $800,000, $828,548 currently. Over the past 1 week of trading, you can see some very strong performance. A lot of that having to do with Ford Motor Company, as we'll talk about in today's video, getting up to $855, $856. Did pull back over the last couple of days of trading, but still above our goal of $800,000. Current contracts you can see on screen: options, Tesla 960 call and Tesla 950 call. If you guys remember to the prior couple of videos, I've been having to roll forward Tesla after I put these call contracts in, shot up to almost $1,200. So definitely did not want to sell off for 950 or 960. So I have been rolling those forward. I put out a video a couple weeks ago describing exactly that process. Let's take a look at all of the contracts. Again, week 52 and week 1. Week 52 of 2021, you can see 2,166 up on top, those large contracts that I am rolling forward, as well as contracts with CRISPR, Ford, Boeing, as well as contracts for week 1 of 2022. Again, most of these contracts are with Tesla, rolling forward that call, 950 call. I was able to get one up to 960, as you can see in the middle of the screen, 960 call sell. And then I did a couple put contracts. Unfortunately, a couple put contracts were assigned this week. 2 contracts at 1,115. So I have an additional 200 shares in the portfolio. So at this point, Tesla in the portfolio is getting to be quite a large proportion of the portfolio. If we take a look at Tesla portfolio diversity, you can see now it's 50% of the portfolio. I definitely do not want to keep it there. 615,900 in the portfolio. I think that is a little bit too risky. I'm going to try to sell this off this next week, even if I have to take a loss on some of the stocks. I definitely want to get some of this out of the portfolio. You can see currently 600 shares. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the contracts here. Don't know if I can do a total review of all these contracts, quite a few, but I want to hit on some major points here. First, rolling those 950 call sells forward. You can see 950 call buy at the end of the year, 12/31/21. Then sold those off for 128. I had to roll out a few weeks. Did a few put contracts as well. Initially at 990, and then at 1120, and then at 1115. As you can see, Tesla 1,115 put sell 172140. Those were the contracts that were assigned. And up on top, you can see Tesla 1,115 put assignment for $223,000. That will be pending for Monday. Definitely have a lot of work to do with Tesla Motors. At this point, again, just emphasizing it's 49.63% of the overall portfolio diversity. Definitely want to probably sell off about half of my shares, even if it is at a loss, as part of the wheel strategy. And then the other stock I want to mention for today's video is Ford Motor Company. Past 1 week of trading, very strong performance of 15.04%. I was getting a little bit nervous because if you guys remember from last week, I had a $25 call sell, which I thought was safe, but it almost was assigned. You can see for $25 call sell, 157 was credited to the account. So I did that strike price well above the current price, or at that time when the contract was entered, the current price of Ford. And I'm glad I did that because Ford rebounded all the way up to $24.48 at one point. I think it got up to almost $24.90, $24.86 at least, as you can see up on screen here. So very fortunate that this was not called away. I definitely did not want to keep this. Excuse me. I definitely did not want to have this assigned and sold off for tax purposes. You can see here total return $264,631. So that would have to be taken into account for capital gains. Those would all be long-term capital gains, but I still did not want to incur that for a tax bill for this next year. So very happy that that was not assigned. But again, Tesla Motor Company here becoming the large proportion of the portfolio, 49.64%. Definitely have to work on getting some of those shares sold off in the next couple of weeks. So again, just wanted to quickly go through the portfolio here, mentioning some of the trades. I'll put up all of the options contracts. Week 52 of 2021, 2,166. You can see contracts with Tesla, CRISPR, Ford, and Boeing. And then week 1 of 2022, starting off very strong here, 7,680. Contracts with Tesla, Boeing, Robinhood, Ford, and CGC Canopy Growth. So just wanted to do a quick update here, week 52 of 2021 and week 1 of 2022. With that, I'll end this video. Please let me know if you guys are continuing to do options moving forward. I do hope to get out a review video of all of the options for 2021, including the total premium for 2021 and the net profit that I made. A few of the contracts definitely were sold for losses, including Robinhood, a very large loss with Robinhood, and Canopy Growth. But overall, very, very profitable 2021, and I hope to continue that moving forward here in 2022. So with that, I'll end the video. Again, if you guys enjoy the content on the video series here, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Until next video, we'll see you then.